Why does your scanner show the P1017 engine code? What does it mean? P1017 is a diagnostic trouble code for valvetronic eccentric shaft sensor plausibility. This engine code indicates that this fault code means the valvetronic system, which controls valve lift, is not functioning as expected. This can be due to a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or problems with the reluctor ring on the eccentric shaft. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty sensor, electrical problems, missing reluctor, gasket problems, impact on engine performance. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW, Ford, and Mercedes. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.